A winter weather advisory is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 34 degrees with snow. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, cloudy with snow. Some rain or sleet may mix in. Low 30. Winds east-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. 3 to 5 inches of snow expected. On Tuesday, rain and snow showers in the morning. The rain and snow will change to rain showers in the afternoon. High 38. Winds north-northeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. And Tuesday night, clear to partly cloudy, low 32, winds light and variable. On Wednesday, mostly cloudy, high 45, winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.